You can actually run your TikTok ads on the Ads Manager platform with your personal account in case you don't want to switch from personal to business account. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how it is done. You have got to stay with me to the end so that you don't miss any step. The first thing is to sign up to TikTok Ads Manager platform. And to do that, you come to this place. This is ads.tiktok.com. If you want to sign up, you can go to Get Started, or you can click on Login. Now, if you have already signed up, click on Login and it brings you to this interface in a moment. Then if you want to sign up, you can click on Sign Up Now. If you want to log in, you've signed up already, you can now enter your details. If you want to use your phone to sign in, click on Phone, then you can enter your phone number, then password, or you can also go with this option, which is login with SMS code, okay? But usually they will send you the code on your WhatsApp. So the phone number in question must be active on WhatsApp. So that's what we have done, and we landed to this place. So this is our dashboard. This is TikTok Ads Manager dashboard, okay? And here beside dashboard, you see campaign. We'll be using this campaign when we want to set up ad. Of course, you can as well start to run ad from here. But this is the main place to go to when you want to start running ad campaigns, right? Then you have tools. We'll be using this a lot. Then you have analytics, okay? So when you go to tools and over to this place, get to setup, let's be sure that this account has been verified business-wise, okay? So you click on setup, account setup. So here you see we are on our account. If you scroll down further, you will see here that this account has been verified with dates, okay? So if your own is not like this, it means it has not been verified and you need to verify it. And you can verify it either with CSV document or its equivalent, okay? Now, before we head over to campaign to start running ads, let's go to payments. By the way, you can still access payment by hovering on tools and then going to payments here, right? But since we are here, we can just click on payments. All right, so we're on payments. Now, if this step one in your own case is not showing completed, it means you have not enabled payments and you have got to do that first. If not, nothing else might work. So once you are done with that, you can go ahead to add balance, okay? So that's how to do that, but we're not going to be adding balance in this case. I just want to show you how to use any TikTok account, whether it's personal account or business account, to run ad on the TikTok Ads Manager platform without linking it the usual way, okay? So let's head over to campaign, click on campaign. So if you're coming to campaign for the first time, it might look like this, okay? So all you do is to click here where it says create. So when you click on create, it brings you here. If this is your first time of trying to run ad, this is how the interface will present, right? So you go down here and switch to full version, okay? So I'll click on here to see the full version. I'll confirm. All right, so this is the full version. You can now see the reach objective, the traffic, the video views, community interaction, app promotion, lead generation, and sales, okay? Now let's go with maybe leads. In this case, just click on leads. Just okay this to continue. Now I'll just do one thing here. Come down here and name my campaign, right? So you can just name it. Let's just say testing, okay? All right, so we click here to continue down here by the right. All right, so we are now on our ad group, right? Let me close down this. Here we can as well still name it testing. Okay, this ad group, there are three stages: the campaign stage, the ad group stage, and then the ad stage. So this is instant form we want to use. I'm not going to set up this ad, by the way. I'm just going to show you how to do that, but you can select any option you want here, whether it's direct TikTok DM or instant form or any one at all you want to use. So we scroll down. So you can come down here and choose your budget. You can put 5,000 if it's 5,000 per day. All right, so I added 5,000. Then let me close this. I don't need it. Okay, then you can scroll further, right? Do every adjustment that you want. If you come here, you can decide to choose your audience, right? You can choose the country, then choose the age, okay? And then go ahead to select the age from here, right? You can select, uncheck this one and select this one, whatever you want to do. Then gender, you can select from here. Okay, then you can come here and do your detailed targeting. Maybe you come here, you said you want to target men's clothing. So I can go for this one under purchase intention, right? I can just select it, right? You can just select up to 3 interests or more, right, that you want. and then continue. Okay, so if you notice there, it says switch to manual setting. So it means that what we are using at this point in time is automatic setting. So I can just click here and I'll switch this to manual setting. Okay, so depending on the one you want, if you use the automatic setting, then their machine is going to help you to run your ad. You will not be able to control certain things in your ad, right? But if you use manual, like the name implies, you'll be able to adjust a lot of things. So we scroll down to this place, placement. You click here. Then if you leave it at automatic, it will select all placement. But if you go to select placement, you can now select only TikTok. Let me scroll down. You can uncheck this one and then this one, and then leave it at TikTok alone, right? Then here you can turn off the comment on your video if you don't want people to be commenting, even though they recommend that you leave it on, but some people might not want to do that. Okay, so you turn off the comments. So you click here and then turn it off here. Turn it off if you want to. That's what I said. Then you can turn off download so that people don't download your ad creative. Okay, so at this point you click on continue. Okay, we've not selected something here. So if you select this option, you must put something here. Maybe you can put 200 naira. Okay, or you can select this other option, high volume, and then you wouldn't need to put anything. Then once you are done with this place, you click on continue. Remember, we're not setting up the full ad. I just wanted to show you how you can connect any TikTok account to the Ads Manager platform without linking it the normal way. Okay, so here we can name our ad. We can still put testing. Okay, sorry, not texting, testing. Okay, so we'll name our ad. You can see it here. Let's close this. We don't need it. All right, so down here is the instant form. So we can click here to create instant form, but I'm not going to be doing any of that now. All right, so here is where we'll now add our creative. See, it says creative assets. So here is where we'll add our creative. We can click here to create a new video or click here to add from our page. Now you will notice that there's no TikTok account added to this page at the moment. Can you see? No TikTok account here, right? So what I'll simply do to bring any TikTok account that I want to run ad with to this TikTok Ads Manager platform is to come here where it says add posts. Now here is where you need to pay keen attention, because if you miss it here, you've missed it. Okay, here is where we'll be connecting any TikTok account to our Ads Manager platform, whether it's business account or personal account. Okay, remember, like I said, there's no account connected or linked to this platform at the moment. Okay, so what I will do is I'll simply, remember, it will be under TikTok posts. So I'll simply come here where it says add posts, and then I'll add the links. I've copied the link. I did a video on how to get this link. Okay, I'll just paste it here and then continue. Click on continue. Automatically the video will appear. Then I'll click here where it says add TikTok posts. Click on it. So automatically it has come in here, right? So if I go here now, down here and say save, can you see the video has come in here? Now let's return to this ad creative, right? Let's do as though we want to add another video. Okay, so let's suppose we deleted this and went here again. Can you see this video is here now? Let me click here. Automatically, can you see the TikTok account that's page has appeared here? Okay, so we didn't need to link anything. We had to bring it in through a video. And I said that this video might even be on a personal TikTok account and it will still work. Okay, so go try it out and let me know if it works for you. If you want to get the full training, TikTok Ads Made Easy, that covers everything: how to target rightly, how to use instant form to get the best outcome when running ad on the TikTok Ads Manager platform, or any other thing you want to learn about TikTok ad, how to fund your account, how to do many things, right? And how to even avoid being suspended, or if you're suspended, what to do to recover your account on the TikTok Ads Manager platform, then you have got to join our training. And when you've got the training and you happen to have any issues, you can always reach out to me and I'll be there to help you. All right, so see you in the next updates.